What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install and get started with programming in Scala. So after this video you can then start putting in commands into your terminal and getting out an output. Okay, so let's start the video. Okay, first of all you gotta go to Firefox. And click this one. Yes, Scala. Yeah, download that. That'll take a couple of seconds here and there. Yes, 8765421. Okay. Close Firefox. We don't need to use that anymore. Now we need to go to Finder. Go to your downloads and where it was. Go to Scala. Okay. Double click this. Where is it? There it is. And now we can move this to our home directory. So here it is. I'm just going to take out the numbers and just call it Scala. Okay, we're done with all that. We don't need to go into Find anymore. Now we need to go to Terminal. Increase that. ls-a, we need to see all the files that are available that we can't see on the terminal or in our Finder, but we can see them on the terminal. So now we need to make sure we have a file that is called .profile. So nano.profile. If you don't have it, you can use touch to make it. But we already have it, hence the reason we don't need to make it again. So nano profile. Now in this, you need to put in export path equals speech marks /users and the name of your home directory. The name of my home directory is Rayhan Abdullah. The name of the folder, which is called Scala. That's the reason why we shortened it down to Scala rather than having to write all those numbers out. And then bin, so the libraries, colon, $ path. And yeah, that's it, that's done. So we can press Ctrl X, Y, enter. That is saved. Now we can put source, profile, yes. Now we can put Scala. And there we go. We are now ready to start putting in our commands. We are now ready for programming in Scala. Let's just check this out. There you go. Okay, that all works. That's it for this video. I just showed you how to get started and install the Scala for your programming in Scala. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial where we start our programming in Scala. On the terminal, we can use Eclipse for Scala, but we don't need to do that. We can use the terminal. Thanks for now.